Hello, welcome to Mr. Paul's Pantry. I'm Mr. Paul, and it's nice to see you all here again, especially if you're a new visitor. Very, very warm welcome. Now, today's recipe is for a salad. It's for a Mediterranean salad. You know, if you watch my videos, you will know I love green leaf salads. I have them on lots of things, sometimes the most unusual things that people wouldn't think of having a bit of green salad with, but I like green salad leaves. But occasionally I like something different. And this is a Mediterranean salad without a salad leaf in sight. It's just got lovely selection of vegetables, no lettuce, nothing like that. And it's very simple, very, very healthy, and very, very tasty. The ingredients are not difficult to get. Wherever in the world you are, I'm sure you can manage to get everything that I'm going to show you. So this is a Mediterranean salad that I've devised myself over the years I've been here in Spain, looking at other people's salads when I've visited their homes, Spanish people, looking at it restaurants when I've tried them in restaurants and eateries up and down the country, not just in Andalusia here, also up in the north of Spain as well. So it's a mixture of everything that I've put together to something that I enjoy, and I hope you'll enjoy it as well. So let's do it. First of all, here we've got some dried tomatoes, sun-dried tomatoes. Now you can buy these, you can make them yourself. It's not worth really bothering because here in Spain you can buy them everywhere. You can buy them in oil, in a jar, or in brine, or you can just buy them dried and reconstitute them like you do dried mushrooms. These particular ones are from a jar and they were in oil. And they were very, very tasty, by the way. That's one of the main things, gives you nice flavour. Here I've got some sweet corn, and I'm using frozen sweet corn today. You can use it from a tin or fresh or whatever. I just happen to have a bag of sweet corn in the freezer. And also next to it there, you'll see a Dutch cucumber, an ordinary UK type cucumber. I've cut it into cubes. I haven't peeled it. I haven't de-seeded it. I've just cut it into small cubes. And I'm using the juice and the rind, the zest of half a lemon. Over here I've got some chickpeas. Now you can soak your own chickpeas. You can buy them in a tin or a jar, whichever you wish. If you do buy them in a tin or a jar, rinse them well and let them drain well. Next, I've got a very finely sliced red pepper, de-seeded, a whole one. I've got also a very finely sliced red onion, and red onion gives this a beautiful, beautiful sweet flavour. Over here, I've got some black olives, which I've sliced. I bought those in a jar, by the way, just so I could use them when I wanted them. Yeah, if I buy them fresh, I've got to use them straight away. These are green olives. They're pitted. They're whole at the moment, no stone, but I will cut them in half. So the black ones are sliced. The green ones will be in half. And I've got some cherry tomatoes, which I just cut into quarters for this recipe. I don't chop them up small. I don't leave them all. I just cut them into quarters. And this is all you need. I've got some radishes. These are optional. Some people don't like radishes. They're a little bit hot. And also I've got some capers. People don't like those a lot of the time because they're very, very tart. But they do give different textures and flavours. And those two items are optional. The rest of them aren't optional. Now, making the dressing for this salad is simplicity in itself. These are the ingredients. I've got the zest from half a lemon. I've already used half of the juice from the lemon, half a lemon, in the salad, okay? I've got some Dijon mustard. I've got some olive oil. I've got some cider vinegar, apple cider vinegar. Now, if you haven't got this, just add a little more lemon juice, that's not a problem. And, of course, salt and pepper. That's it. So, let's get on with putting it all together. So first of all, we need a couple of tablespoons of olive oil. You don't need a lot of dressing for this. Although the salad I'm making there will serve 4 people as a side, you want very little dressing. So that's 2 tablespoonfuls of that. We want 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. And don't forget, if you haven't got cider vinegar, then just add a little more lemon juice. That's all you have to do. Now we want the mustard, and I want 1 tablespoon of this Dijon mustard in there. 1 tablespoon, that's all. I'll just clean that out. Sorry, using my fingers, but can't be helped. In with the zest of the lemon. A good pinch of salt. And a good grind of black pepper. And that's the dressing done. All we've got to do now is mix the whole thing together. Give it a good mix. If you haven't got a nice little whisk like this, pop it in a jar, like an empty mustard jar or an empty whatever you've got, and just shake it up, and it'll make a nice creamy dressing. And I think you can see the texture of that now. It's nice and creamy. We'll get the salad and we'll put some dressing on it. So here we are. I've got all the ingredients in the bowl for the salad. I've cut the tomatoes and I cut the olives in half, the green olives, and I'm just going to give that a little mix now. Now remember, this amount of salad here, served as a side dish, should serve 4 or 5 people. Now for the dressing. The dressing we made was just nice and creamy. You can see it there. And that's going to go in. We don't need a lot of dressing, remember. We just need to coat some of the coat the ingredients. We don't need it swimming in dressing. Now just toss that to give it all a good mix. And this is my Mediterranean salad. It's concocted by myself over 25 years. I've taken little bits from every salad I've ever eaten here in Spain, whether it be in Andalusia or further north, and this is the result. It's a salad that I go to many times when I don't need a green leaf salad, although if you've watched my videos you will know I love green leaf salads, and I put it in quite a lot of my dishes, sometimes when it's not really normal to do so, but I love it. So there's the salad, and I think it's one of those tastiest things that you'll ever try. Well, that's it for today. I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have, go underneath, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends on social media, and if you have any comments, questions or suggestions, leave those underneath the video also. I do read them all, and I try to reply to as many as I possibly can. Well, this is Mr. Paul saying bye for now, and I'll see you next time. Bye.